My desk setup definitely went to the next level with this. And today, I want to show you guys this chair, because this is not your regular office chair. This chair has AI lumbar support, massage, cooling, heating, and even a remote. Yeah, crazy, right? When I first saw this thing, I honestly thought half these features were gimmicks. But after weeks of editing videos late at night and sitting at my desk way too long, I kind of get it now, because even without all the crazy tech features, this chair is insanely comfortable. The headrest is awesome. The armrests move basically everywhere. And once I adjusted everything for my setup, my shoulder strain honestly got way better. So this is the Hbada X7 Smart Ergonomic Chair. And in this video, I'll show you the good, the bad, and whether all this smart chair is actually worth it. First of all, this thing arrived in a massive box. The moment I saw it, instant regret, because I live on the 3rd floor. Plus, this chair is heavy. Carrying this upstairs was absolutely brutal. The setup also took longer than I expected, but once everything was finally assembled, it immediately felt premium. This actually looks dope. Just in case you wanted to check the size and dimensions, this is it. The aluminum frame feels really solid, the mesh feels nice, and all the adjustments and moving parts feel surprisingly well built too. Even the wheels surprised me. Maybe underrated, but they roll really smoothly. And visually, I personally love how this thing looks in my setup. But fair warning, this chair is definitely bulky. If you love super clean, minimal setups, this might not be your vibe. But me though, I kind of love the futuristic tech chair look. But if you're even thinking about getting this chair, the AI lumbar support is probably the main reason, because this is the feature that really makes the chair feel different. At first, I thought AI lumbar support was just marketing nonsense. You think that too, right? But after using it for a while, this thing is actually awesome. So basically, the lumbar support moves with your body as you sit. When you lean back, it follows your lower back. When you lean forward, working or editing, it adjusts again. And for me, I'm constantly changing positions. Sometimes I'm leaning forward editing videos. Sometimes I'm leaning back at midnight watching YouTube or Netflix. And instead of forcing you into one fixed sitting position, the chair kinda adapts to you. That's the part I didn't expect to matter this much. After a long editing session, my lower back definitely felt less tired. Oh, if you want the fixed position setup, yeah, you can do that too. Now the massage feature. Okay, this part surprised me too. I thought it was just gonna vibrate randomly, like those cheap massage gadgets. But it actually uses moving massage rollers in the lumbar area, so it feels more like a kneading motion instead of aggressive buzzing. Well, obviously, this is not replacing a real massage chair. But during work breaks, it's actually really nice. You would end up using it a lot for sure. I do wish the massage strength was a little stronger though. And the cooling feature became one of my favorites, surprisingly fast. Yeah, climate control built into a chair still sounds insane. But New Jersey summers get brutal sometimes, so having airflow through the seat is actually super nice. The power is strong too. Heating works too, but the cooling was definitely the feature I used the most. Okay, let's put this paper here. See, this thing is actually pretty strong. And trust me, your butt is gonna appreciate this during summer. And the adjustability on this thing is kind of wild. The headrest moves basically everywhere, up, down, forward, backward. Since I move around a lot when sitting, an adjustable headrest is absolutely necessary for me. And this chair, it's freaking awesome. Now, some reviewers mentioned the headrest feels a little loose, but I don't really agree. Yeah, sure, it moves if you intentionally push it, but during normal use, it stayed completely fine for me. My old chair, FlexiSpot was good, but it could only adjust the height. Now with this, being able to adjust forward and backward too is seriously awesome. Really appreciate that feature. The armrests though, these things move everywhere. Up, down, side to side, forward, backward, even rotating, depending on how you sit. And honestly, being able to position the armrests exactly where I want while working close to my desk helped more than I expected, especially for shoulder comfort. When typing, this position right here, so good. If you get this chair, definitely try it. Super comfortable. And if you really want to go wild with the setup, you can adjust it like this too. I seriously can't express enough how amazing this feels. Well, earlier, like I mentioned, you should get this chair for the lumbar support. But honestly though, for real, the armrests are dope too. This might be the second biggest reason why you should get this chair. Well, also I like sitting as close to my desk as possible. But you know what? Since I have a drawer under my desk, I normally can't get fully under it. But with this position, it actually works great. Seriously awesome, man. So far, if you've been enjoying this video, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Upcoming videos like my EDC setup and desk tour are gonna be epic. The seat is also interesting. It's not super soft. Actually, it's a little firmer side. It's mesh, so mesh is mesh. But this definitely feels like high-end mesh for sure. But during long work sessions, it still stays really comfortable. And recline, seat depth, lumbar, tension. So basically everything adjusts on this chair. And yes, there's even a built-in footrest. So when I'm editing late at night or just watching something, I can fully recline and actually relax for a minute. Once I finally dialed everything in, this thing became ridiculously comfortable. Between my full-time job, editing YouTube videos late at night, replying to emails, and falling into YouTube and Netflix, I spend too much time at this desk. So this super comfy chair is seriously fantastic. But obviously, this chair is expensive. And no, this is definitely not for everybody. If you barely sit at your desk, this is probably overkill. But if you work from home, game, edit videos, or basically spend lots of time at your desk like me, comfort becomes productivity. Hey, I think I just said something good. Comfort turns into productivity. I can even say this is a productivity chair, because when your body feels less tired, it's easier to stay focused for long hours, right? And sure, this chair isn't perfect either. First of all, like I said, this chair is heavy. Carrying this upstairs was absolutely brutal. And also, this might be important. I do wish the warranty were longer. This chair only comes with a 5-year warranty, while some premium chairs offer 10 or even 12 years. And yeah, this chair is definitely bulky too. If you love super clean, minimal setups, this futuristic tech chair look might not be your vibe. But other than those things, I really love this chair. The comfort is amazing. The adjustments are super good. And after using it for weeks, I really appreciate this chair. My back doesn't feel pain anymore. So if you want the best of the best comfortable productivity chair, this gotta be it. And if you're wondering, it also comes in a gray color option too. All right, so that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and maybe you wanna watch these videos next. Bye.